Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we will go to time. Okay, chapter 15. All right, time. Many of you are familiar with this 12-hour system, which is what we are using every day. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 8 p.m., all those things. All right. So the things that you might not familiar is this one, 24-hour system. All right. So I will just explain to you what is the difference between them. Okay, when you look at it, right, midnight start at a.m. okay, 12 a.m. and then it end at 12 p.m. and then from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. Alright, so here in 12-hour system we have a.m. which is in the morning, we have p.m. which is in the afternoon. So when you combine it, okay, in one day, okay, one day there's 24 hours. So they break down into two parts for 12-hour system. So they break down to first 12 hour and then second 12 hour. But in here in 24-hour system, they are not like that. Okay, they are all together in 24-hour system. Everything from here till the end is 24 hour. See, they do not break down into two parts. Here in 12-hour system they break down into two parts, but here in 24-hour system they do not break down to two parts. So they are just start from like 0 0, which is like start. Okay, when you have like time, when you want to record the time, okay, it start from 0, right? 0 and then it increases. The same idea. Okay, 0 2, this is 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay, see, this two is the same. Okay, 2 a.m. but here they do not put a.m. Alright, 24-hour system must have 4 numbers. Alright, not 3 numbers. In 12-hour system you can have 3 numbers, but here in 24-hour system you cannot have 3 number. It's 4 number. When you look at it, see, in front here, in front of the 2 here, there is 0. Alright, there must be 4 numbers. Alright, so this is 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay, 4 a.m. in the morning. Alright, 4 a.m. not change. Okay, 6 a.m. 6 in the morning, 8 a.m. 8. Okay, this doesn't change. Alright, 10 and then 10, and 12 p.m. 12. See, it doesn't change. But then from this afternoon onwards it changed already. Alright, 12 p.m. and then 2 p.m. see, it start from 1 again. After 12 it start from 1 again, but then here they do not start, they just continue adding on. Alright, they just continue adding on. This is very simple. 24-hour is actually very simple. They just add on the number. Okay, 14 is equal to 2 p.m. okay, 16 is equal to 4 p.m. just like adding. Alright, so if it is like 15 here, okay, it is equal to 3 p.m. here. Alright, 6 p.m. is equal to 18 hours. Okay, see, it doesn't even though the number changes, the meaning is the same. Alright, 10 p.m. here, this is also 10 p.m. Alright, see, 0 0, it ends at 0 0 again, 24 hour. Alright, so 0 to 24 hour is 24 hour. Okay, when you count it. Alright, but when it is in midnight they change it into 0 0 0 0. It starts from once again. Alright, okay, so you might be asking, this is in 24-hour system, this is 12-hour system. Okay, it is the same. See, they have 3 numbers, only 3 numbers. Sometimes they might put this. Alright, they might put this 2 dots. Okay, so this side is hour, correct? Hour. This side is minute. The same thing for 24-hour as well. Alright, it breaks it down into 2 parts because you have 4 numbers, so they break down into half. So this is 6 hour. Okay, 6 o'clock. This 0 doesn't mean anything. Okay, it's just there because 24-hour must have 4 numbers. And then this, the back, the number, the 2 last number is minute. Okay, this is hour. So for example, if you want to say like 2, okay, this is 2 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. in the morning, which means it is equal to 2 a.m. Alright, this 0 is for minute, see, minute. This 2 is hour, so it changed like that. Alright, so see, minute and hour. Okay, just that they do not separate this 4 number by adding all those things. Okay, they do not separate those things. Sometimes they might put 2 dot, okay, it's okay, but what you have to know is just that the second part, the first part is hour and the second part is minute. Okay, just break down into 2 each. Okay, 2 each, then you will know that. Okay, it's very simple, it's just that. Alright, so okay, now we will move on to example. Okay, changing 24-hour system to 12-hour system to 24-hour system. Okay, so what I wrote here is at 12 when the time is beyond 12 p.m. Alright, let's see, 4:30 p.m. it is beyond 12 p.m. correct? So which means we have to just add 12 when you want to change into 12-hour system. What you do, you just add 12. Alright, 12. Okay, 30, 4 plus 2, 6. There, this is in 24-hour system. Alright, which means 4:30 p.m. is equal to 16:30. Alright, this 16 is hour, this 30 is minute. See, 30 minutes. It's just that this to change. Understand? Alright, okay. For AM, how do you do that? AM is actually more simpler. Alright, what you have to do, you just have to add 0 in front of the number. How do you do that? 0, 7, 30. Just write down everything. Just add 0 in front, and then do not put this 2 dot if possible. See, then it is equal already. It's very simple. 30 equal to 0, 7, 30. See, you just have to add 0. Alright, okay, 24-hour system to 12-hour system. Now it is vice versa. Alright, change already. Okay, opposite. 24-hour system to 12-hour system. How do you do that? Minus 12 when the time is beyond 12 p.m. Okay, they give you in 24-hour system, you must write in 12-hour system. If the time, okay, if the time is beyond, okay, if the time is larger than 12, for example like this, 16 is larger than 12, so what you have to do, just minus 12. Easy. You do not have to add minute and all that, just 0, 0. Minus is off. 15, correct? And 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0, so you do not have to write. See, 4 hours 15 minutes, which means in 24 hour it is 16, okay, and 15 minutes. 16 hours and 15 minutes. Here it is 4:15 p.m. It's just that. Alright, it's very simple. Just minus if it is beyond 12. Okay, 16 hour 12 or 15 minutes. Okay, in 24 hour they normally say 16 hour, they do not say 16 p.m. no, in 24 hour you can say 4 p.m. but here they say 16 hours. Okay, in hour form. Here, this is when you notice it, if there is 0 in front, okay, that it is definitely AM. Alright, definitely AM. If there's 0 in front, there's definitely AM, which means 9:20. Okay, just write it down, just cancel the 0, then you get 9:20 AM in the morning. So it's the same. Alright, if you, okay, again, yeah, if you see 0 in front, it is definitely AM. Alright, just go for it. If they have like beyond 12, then you must know that you must minus with 12. Understand? Alright, okay, we will go to more example. Okay, more example. Alright, an aeroplane takes off at 14 hours 40 minutes, okay, and lands at 17 hours 25 minutes. How long does the journey take? Okay, how long does it take? It's very simple. Okay, please do not follow from your textbook, okay, the way they do. Alright, okay, this example, do not follow this. Yeah, it will be very difficult to understand. I will teach you the more simpler way. All right, how do you do that? Okay, so this is larger, correct? It's 14 hour here. This is 17 hour, so which means we just have to minus it off. 17, 25, and then 14, 40. So they want to know how long does the journey take, so you have to know the duration. What you have to do? Simple. These two number, okay, just like I said, these two, the front two is hour, the back two is minute. Okay, same thing. This is hour, this is minute, same thing. All right, how do you do that? Okay, I will write it again. Yeah, 17, 25, 14, 40. Okay, I think this will be more clearer. Okay, minus. All right, so this is hour, this is minute. Okay, see, you cannot minus 25 minutes with 40, correct? So what you have to do, you have to take. All right, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, correct? So when you give 1 hour to 2 minutes, it will automatically 60. All right, 7 becomes 6, and when you give to the minute, it becomes 60. Alright, so 60 plus 25, then you minus with 40. Understand? Alright, so how do you do that? Okay, this is 75. Oh no, 85. 85 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4. Alright, 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so which means the duration is 2 hours and 45 minutes. See, it's simple as that. Alright, you just have to separate this first two number with another back two number. Alright, remember this, yeah, please remember this. Okay, second question. 17 hour, okay, 40 minutes, okay, Saturday to 4:50 Sunday. Alright, this is in 24-hour system because see, this is larger than 12, correct? This is definitely 24-hour system. So how do you do this problem? How do you solve this problem? See, this is Sunday and then Saturday and then Sunday, correct? It is from Sunday night until Saturday night till morning Sunday. So how do you do that? You cannot just minus off like this because it is like already in the other day. Here it is in the same day, so it's easier to minus, but here it is not in the same day already, it's like different day. So how do you do that? First of all, you just have to separate this. Okay, midnight 00. Okay, midnight. So to turn to this, okay, this is Sunday, this is Saturday. So Saturday at what time? 17:40. Okay, and then I have to break down into midnight first and then 4:50. Okay, what is the duration here? How do you do that? This 00, okay, when you want to do in problem, all right, when you want to solve this, do not write like this. You cannot get that. All right, it is wrong. So top 00 is, you can change it into 24 hours. All right, because it's the same, 00 start and then 24-hour end. So in this way, it is more easier for you to solve the problem. Okay, 24 minus 17:40, correct? So that you know the time from this Saturday till midnight. All right, so now we are finding this. Okay, we are finding A, this is B, let's put this. Okay, this is A. All right, we are finding this minus we cannot minus 0 minute with 40, correct? So you just have to give back give 60 minutes. So this hour become 3, and then here 60 minus 40, it is 20 minutes. 23 minus 17, 6. Alright, 6. So which means here to here it is 6 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so the day 17 hours to midnight, it is 6 hours 20 minutes. So now you have the first part already. We have to find the second part, which is P, so that we know from here to here. Alright, P. It is what? It's very simple. You do not have to like minus here already, because you know that from 0 to 4 hours 50 minutes is like just 4 hours 50 minutes, correct? Here to here is 4 hours 50 minutes. You do not have to do anything. Only in this part you just have to minus off, alright? Because here to here is, they already show you 4:50 AM in the morning, which means 4 hours 50. So you just have to add those two. Okay, 70. 6 plus 4, 10. So now you have 10 hour 70 minutes, correct? But you cannot write in this way, because see, this is more than 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So what you have to do, you just have to minus off. Alright, so 60 hour, okay, you minus off here 60 hour or 60 minutes, because you cannot, the number cannot be larger than 59. Alright, and then you plus 1 here, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So you take 60 from here and then you add here. Simple as that. 70 minus 60, 10. You plus 1, 11. So this is in more proper way. So the duration is 11 hour 10 minutes. Okay, 11 hours 10 minutes. Understand? Okay. Here, the last question, from 13:35 to 14:15. Alright, which is larger? 14 is larger, of course. 13:35 minus, cannot, so you just give 60, so which means it becomes 75. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 3 minus 3 is 0, 0, which means, see, there's no hour, only minutes, which means it is 40 minutes from here to here. Okay, it's 14 minutes duration. Alright.